Hey Lisa, it's Allison, and I'm just doing my part of mine and Tyler's presentation for the 1900s to the 1920s. The first one is Boy with a Pipe, painted by Pablo Picasso in 1905. It's oil on canvas, and it was painted during Picasso's Rose period, and the model was a teen boy who hung around um, Picasso's studio and volunteered to pose for Picasso. The next one is Les Desmoulins d'Avignon, by Pablo Picasso. It's painted from 1906 to 1907. It's oil on canvas and it's about 7.5 by 8 feet. Next one is A Little Harbor in Normandy, painted by Georges Braque, in 1909. It's oil on canvas and it's about 32 by 31 1/4 inch, and it's at the Art Institute of Chicago. This one is a development of a bottle in space by Umberto Boccioni in 1912, and it's a silvered bronze sculpture. This one is a nude descending a staircase number 2, painted by Marcel Duchamp in 1912, and it's oil on canvas. And this one is a fruit dish in glass, painted by, made by George Braque in 1912, and it's charcoal and cut and paste wallpaper mounted on a paperboard, and it's 24 3/4 by 18 inches. And then this one is The Card Player by Pablo Picasso from 1913 to 1914, and it's oil on canvas.